will get x plus 1, if in the denominator we will get x plus 1 and we will differentiate this, then definitely in the denominator we will get a square. Okay, so in proof type of questions, you need to analyze the result first. So if we will simplify the given question, if we will simplify this, and in the denominator we will get x plus 1, and then we will differentiate it, then definitely we will get a square here. I'm not sure about the numerator. Okay, so what we need to do, first of all, we will simplify this one. So we have x under root 1 plus y plus y under root 1 plus x is equal to 0. Now shift this part to the right side, so you will get x under root 1 plus y is equal to minus y under root 1 plus x. Okay. Next. So if we will do the square of this, okay, squaring both sides, squaring both sides. So what you will get, x square 1 plus y is equal to y square 1 plus x. Okay. Now open this bracket. So you will get x square plus x square y is equal to y square plus y square x. Okay. Now shift this y square to the left side, so you will get x square minus y square is equal to, here you will get y square x minus x square y. Okay, so what we have done here we have just opened this bracket. So x square will get multiplied with 1, you will get x square. Then x square with y, you will get x square y is equal to, then y square into 1 is y square plus y square x. Shift this y square to the left side, so you will get x square minus y square, and here you will get a y square x minus x square y. Now, what is the formula of a square minus b square? Who can tell me this? Fahad, what's the value? What's the formula of a square minus b square?
So a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Okay, so Muhammad Adil, are you Umer?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
more.
Okay, Umer, you always join with a different name. Okay, then this is x minus y. This is x plus y. Okay, and this is equal to, please take common xy. So you will get a y minus x. Everyone, please confirm me. Is it clear till now? This is clear.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, good said. Abdur, Fahad, and Rifat, this is clear. Abdur, Fahad, and Rifat, this is clear. Okay, good, Abdur. Okay, Rifat. Fahad, this is clear. The last line. Okay, okay. So what I have done here, Fahad, this is x square minus y square. Okay, so what is x minus a square minus b square formula? A minus b, a plus b. So we have just put that formula, x square minus y square is x minus y into x plus y is equal to, here we have taken xy common, so we have got y minus x. Okay, is it clear for?
Yes.
Okay, very, very good. Now we need to cancel this x minus y and this y minus x, so we will take negative common. So this is x minus y and this is x plus y is equal to, from this y minus x take negative common, so we get x minus y. So this x minus y, this x minus y we can cancel out. So finally you will get x plus y is equal to minus xy. Okay, but we will not differentiate this. Okay, at this step we will not differentiate this because we need in the denominator x plus 1. So what we can do, we can shift this minus xy to the left side. You will get a plus xy is equal to 0. Shift this x to the right side.
Sir,
Yes, Amir.
so how did it become minus xy on
Yeah,
the right hand side?
yeah, we have cancelled out this. Actually, from this y minus x, we have taken negative common. So this become x minus y. And then we have cancelled out this x minus y and x minus y. Okay, Omir?
Okay.
Okay. Now next, here take y common. So you will get a 1 plus x here. And this is equal to minus x. Now shift this 1 plus x to the right side. You will get this y is equal to minus x by 1 plus x. Is it clear now, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, good, sir. Umair, Abdul, Fahad, Rifat
Yes, sir.
is okay. Good, Umair. Everyone. Okay, Fahad, good. Abdul and Rifat, this is clear. Good, Rifat.
Can you explain the part where you shifted?
Which step, Abdul?
So fourth step.
Fourth. This one.
Yes.
Yeah. So what we have done, we get this x plus y is equal to minus xy, but we can't differentiate here. Okay. So what we will do, we will shift this to the left side. So you get x plus y plus xy is equal to 0. Shift this x to the right side. So you will get y plus xy is equal to minus x. Take y common from here. You will get a 1 plus x. Shift this to the right side. You will get a y is equal to minus x by 1 plus x. Why we have done this? Because in the starting of the question, I told you that in the denominator, we need a 1 plus x. Okay, because in the final result, you have a square in the denominator. That's why we need 1 plus x in the denominator. Okay, is it clear, Abdul?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now you can differentiate. Okay, now please differentiate it and check that are you getting the same result? Okay, and this question came in CBSE 2012 as well as this is in NCRT. So this is an important question. So when we are squaring y minus y, okay, when okay. So what is the square of minus 1? Fahad, what's the square of minus 1? Okay, that's the same reason. Okay, now please complete it and share your answer. Good, Fahad.
So did the answer end over here, or do we have to differentiate it further?
Now you need to differentiate it. Okay, you need to prove this that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Okay. Okay, Zed. So you got the answer. Very, very good. Very good, Zed. All of you, please let me know if you get the answer or if you have any doubt. And please tell me. Okay. Okay, so Zed, you're preparing just for CBSE or for JE also?
Sir, CBSE only.
Only CBSE. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. You need to complete it. Okay, you need to differentiate this one. Okay. So anyone have a doubt, then please let me know. Okay. And if it is done, then please confirm. And today you have a test of relation and functions. Okay. Yes, Umair, you need to apply the quotient rule. Anyone is facing issue in this question? Okay, because we've already 5 minutes. Any doubt in this question? Do I need to solve this?
What, sir?
Okay, okay. Abdur, Fahad, and Rifat, do I need to solve this? Okay, okay, Fahad. Then I will do this. Okay, please check here. We need to apply the quotient rule here. So dy by dx is equal to, right, 1 plus x. Okay, okay, there's a negative. So we will write that negative outside the bracket. Okay, so dy by dx, we will write negative here. Then denominator as it is, differentiate numerator, minus numerator as it is, differentiate denominator, x plus 1, okay, by in the denominator square. So here what you will get dy by dx is equal to minus, otherwise Abdur, each and every element we need to multiply. Okay, then whenever I will find dx, then I will put a negative here. I will again put a negative here. Okay, so that's why I've taken that negative outside the bracket. Now here we get 1 plus x, and dx is 1, minus x plus 1 derivative is also 1, by x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is dy by dx is equal to, open this bracket. So what you will get here? You will get here 1 plus x minus x by x plus 1 whole square. Okay, cancel out this x. So you will get here dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. This is clear, Abdur, Fahad, and Rifat. This is clear. And Umair, please raise your hand if this is clear. Okay, Rifat, okay, Abdur, Fahad, and Umair. I get multiply in the bracket x. 1 get multiply in the bracket x plus 1. Yes. So you will get the same thing. Here you have 1 plus x here. Okay, you will multiply this with dx by dx. So this is 1. 1 into 1 plus x is again 1 plus x. Okay, Fahad, is it clear? Okay, good. So who is left? Umair. Umair, please confirm me. Everyone, please note down this and then raise your hands so that we can start the next question. Okay, Abdul, very good. So Umair, Fahad, and Rifat, please confirm so that we can start the next question. Okay, Rifat, very good. Umair and Fahad, is it done? Fahad and Omir, is it done? Shall we start next? You said yes, Fahad. I'm not sure that when you have replied. I'm going to start next one. Please let me know if you miss anything here. Okay. Now this is a similar type of question. This is also a similar type of question. The same thing we need to prove. So please don't differentiate directly. First of all, analyze the proof and tell me that how you need to prove this one. This question came 3 times, 2009, 2011, and 2012. So we can say it's a very, very important question. So please, first of all, analyze this and tell me your approach, how you need to start. Okay. Or just try to solve this and tell me how can you solve this one.
So can we shift sine y that side, right hand side?
Uh, you're saying that we will shift this sine y to the right side.
Yes, yes, and take x to the other side, left hand side.
Okay, so this become 1 by x and this become sine a plus y, and the denominator you have sine y.
Sine.
Okay, then
Uh, then we can start differentiating it.
okay, very good. So we will apply the quotient rule. Okay, and in the
Yes.
denominator we have a sine y, then definitely we will get a sine square y.
Yes.
Okay, but Zed, if we will analyze this one, then we have a square on a plus y.
So can we do like it is 1 by x. So if we take x, so sine y by sine a plus y it will.
So you want to say that we will shift this to the left side. So this becomes sine y by sine a plus y. And you will shift, and what you have over here, x.
Yes.
Very good, Zed. Excellent. Okay, everyone please check here. So in proof type of questions, I already told you that always analyze the final result, then start differentiating. Okay, so if we will check here, then we have a square on a plus y. We know that in differentiation, we have just quotient rule, which always give a square on the denominator. So that means if we need a square on this sine a plus y, then this means this should be in the denominator. That's why we have shifted this in the denominator. Okay, we don't know what the result we will get, but if we will differentiate this, we know that this will give us sine square a plus y. Then finally we will shift it to the right side. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Now please start differentiating this. Okay, very good, sir. Okay, Umair, Abdul, Fahad, and Rifat, this is clear, or do you have any doubt in this? This step is clear because you need to complete this question on your own. This is clear? Umair, Abdul, please raise your hand if it is clear. Otherwise, I need to solve. Okay, Abdul, good. Fahad, Rifat, Umair, is it clear? Okay, Rifat, good. Fahad, is it clear? Okay, then very good. Please continue this question. Differentiate both sides, find dy by dx, and let. Yes, Fahad, please check here. Here we are getting sine square a plus y. When we get a square, when this is in the denominator. Okay, we know that in a quotient rule only we will get a square. So what we have done, we have shift this sine a plus y in the denominator. Please check here. You have sine y is equal to x sine a plus y. So what we have done here, we have shift this to the left side. So you get sine y by sine a plus y, and this is equal to x. Okay, Fahad, now is it fine? Okay, very good. Now please differentiate both sides, find dy by dx, and let me know if you have any doubt in this.
So done.
Okay, Zed, very good. Good. Omir, Abdur, Fahad, and Ifat, please let me know if you have any doubt in this. Okay. What your doubt is, can we take x to the right side and sine y to the left? So it's already the x is already on the right side, and this is already on the left side. X to the left, but what is the use of that? But if you will shift this x to the left side, okay. So if you will shift this x to the left side, then you will get a 1 by x. And rest you are saying on the right side, then here you will get sine a plus y by sine y. So if you will apply the quotient rule here, then what will happen? That quotient rule will give you a square in the denominator. Okay, if you will do like this, then this will give you square in the denominator, and we don't need square on y. We need the square on a plus y. That's why what we have done, oh, sorry. So what we have done here, we have shift this part in the denominator. So sine y by sine a plus y. And in the right side, we have x. Okay. Now please try to complete it. And let me know if anyone is facing any issue, then I will solve this. Okay, Rifat, very good. Rifat, you're getting the same answer. This one, sin square a plus y by sin a. Okay, great. Very good. Now, Umair, Abdur, and Fahad, please confirm, okay, once it is done. Or if you're stuck at any step, then please let me know. Okay, please look here. If anyone have a doubt in this, please check here. So what we are doing, we are differentiating this with respect to x. So this will give us what? Derivative with respect to x sine y by sine a plus y is equal to dx by dx. Okay. Now, how can we differentiate this LHS? So apply the quotient rule, denominator as it is. Okay, denominator as it is sine a plus y. Differentiate the numerator with respect to x minus numerator as it is. Differentiate the denominator by, in the denominator you will get a square. So sine a plus y whole square. This is equal to 1. Okay. Now, here, sine a plus y. Now, Fahad, please tell me that can we differentiate this sine y with respect to x? Fahad, can we differentiate this sine y with respect to x? Fahad, can we differentiate this sine y with respect to x? No. Then how can we differentiate it? How can we solve this part? Apply the chain rule. So, Fahad, can you please unmute yourself and tell me the further step? Fahad, can you unmute yourself and tell
The
me?
denominator y should come.
Okay, so we will differentiate this sine y with respect to.
Y.
Very good. Then
dy.
what's that? Then good. Then next is dy by dx. This clear for?
Cos. Sin y is cos.
Yeah, that's we will do. But okay, and we will get a dy by dx here. Then minus sine y. Now who can tell me next? Abdul. Abdul, how can we differentiate this sine a plus y with respect to what? Abdul, we can differentiate this sine a plus y with respect
A
to
plus
what?
y.
With y.
Very good. A plus y.
A plus
Very
y.
good. Very good. Then a plus y with respect to
Y.
Y.
x. Okay, because we need to differentiate this with respect to x. So
So, but there is
finally,
no x, right?
sorry.
But there is no x, right?
Yeah, but there is no x. So what we will do, we will just write dy by dx. Okay, or if you
Okay, fine.
wish,
Okay.
okay, if you wish, you can write here dy and then you can write dy by dx. Okay, so that's your wish.
Can you do
Okay, I will write dy then. Okay, so I will write dy, then dy by dx. Is it fine, Umir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So here dy, here dx. By in the denominator, we have sine a plus y, sine a plus y whole square. Okay, so here what we will get here. Okay, and in the right side, what we will get? The right side we have a 1. Okay, now so this is sine a plus y. Who can tell me? Okay, sine y derivative is cos y. We will write cos y here. Then here we have a dy by dx minus here we have a sine y. Here we have a cos a plus y. Then here we have what? 0 plus what is derivative of dy? 1. And then finally we have dy by dx. Umair, this is clear now?
So can you explain?
Okay, I will. A is a constant further. Okay, so what is the derivative of a constant? Okay, now please check here for Umair. So we have a sine y, we have differentiated this sine a plus y, we get a cos a plus y. Then the derivative of a is 0. A is a constant, so we will get a 0. And what's the derivative of y? This is 1. Then we have a dy by dx. Is it clear, Umair?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then in the numerator, we can take a dy by dx common. Okay, please check in both the terms you have dy by dx. So you can take out that common, you will get a sine a plus y. You will get a sine a plus y into cos y. Okay, into cos y minus sine y into cos a plus y. Okay, and in the denominator, you have sine a plus y whole square is equal to 1. Okay, now dy by dx. No, how it get cancelled? A plus y is in the angle, so it will not get cancelled. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. What is the formula of sine a minus b? Who can tell me this? Sine a minus b. What is the formula? Fahad. First, what is the formula of sine a minus b? Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Okay, so if you will check here, we have sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So we can write this sine a minus b. A is what? A plus y. B is what? Y. And in the denominator, what we have sine, we can write this as sine square a plus y. Now, please tell me who have a doubt in this system. Everyone, please tell me who have a doubt in this system. Abdur, Fahad, Umair. Okay, Umair, what's the doubt? Umair, what is the doubt? Which step, Umair? Umair, which step? The recent one? Umair, first of all, please tell me what is the formula of sine a minus b? Umair, unmute yourself and tell me what is the formula of sine a minus b?
So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B.
Good. Now in this expression, in our final expression, just skip. Now in our this expression, this is sin A plus y into cos y minus sin y into cos A plus y. So Umir, can we say that as per the formula, this is A and this is B? Please match this expression with this formula. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So can we say that with sin you have a capital A, with cos you have a capital B? Is it correct?
Yes, yes.
So what we have done, we have just taken this as A, this as B, this is B, and this is A. And we have put this formula sin A minus B, that is A plus Y minus Y. In the denominator, we have the same term. Okay, now the next step is, oh, I don't have the space. Sorry, so I will do it here. Okay, now dy by dx into this y will get cancelled out. This y will get cancelled out, so you will get a here. Okay, here you will get a dy by dx in, sorry. So here you, yes, further I'm doing that, dy by dx into sin A by sin square A by. On the right side, we have a 1. So as per the proof, you can shift this denominator to the right side. So you will get dy by dx is equal to sin square A plus y by sin. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, then thank you for the reply. I guess who replied right now? Zeth?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Thank you. So I hope everyone understood this. So please note down this. Okay. And let me know once it is done so that we can start the next topic. And please tell me if you have any doubt in this. Okay. Okay, Zed. Thank you. Abdul, Fahad, and Omir, please raise your hand once it is done. Okay. Okay, Abdul. Thank you. Omir and Fahad, I'm just waiting for your reply. Okay, Fahad, great. Omir, is it done?
I'm still
Yes, Omir, sorry, is it done?
I'm writing.
Okay. Omir, shall we start next now? Amir, shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so this topic is completed, our implicit and explicit function. Next, our topic is inverse trigonometric function, but we will do inverse later on because we have not yet completed the inverse chapter, the second part. Okay, so what can we do? We will do this topic later on once we complete the inverse trigonometric function. Okay, so what we will do, we will complete the differentiation, then we will do continuity, then we will do differentiability, and after that we will do inverse trigonometric function, then again we will come on this topic. Okay, so please remember that we have not yet completed this inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, so leave this we will do later on. Okay, next is differentiation of logarithmic function or differentiation using logarithm. So first of all, we will discuss some points about the log. Umir, exponential and logarithmic, some formulas we have already discussed. Yes, for question came from implicit. Yes. Umir, but exponential and logarithmic questions we have already discussed while we were doing the chain rule. That's why I have given you assignment 4th and homework last week, I guess. Do you remember? Okay, so last week we have discussed the exponential and logarithmic differentiation. Okay. Yes, that's done. But in this topic, we will use log to simplify our equations. Yes, we did the basic. That's why we will do the detail here. Okay. Now, log. What's the log? We will check here. Logarithm are the other way of writing the exponents. Okay, so please check here. So for example, if we will also do, yes, today we will also do exponentials. Okay, so we have, if suppose we have 10 square is equal to 100. Okay, then in terms of log, how can we write this? We can write this like this, log 1000. Okay, this, sorry, log 100. This 100 will come here. This 10 will came here. And what is the value of this? This you can do like this, that what should be the power of 10 so that you will get 100. So that is 2. Okay, 10 square is equal to 100. This can be written in terms of log like this, log 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Okay, so log is a very, very good method of simplify your calculation or reducing your calculation. Okay, so there is a log table. I guess you all already know there is a log table. So you can find out the value from the log table and put in an equation and your calculation will decrease. So that's why we use the log. So basically what is log? It is the other way of writing the exponent. For example, here the exponent is 2. So the writing of this is like this, log 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. So that means if we have log b x is equal to n, that means what? We will see in this way. Suppose we have b to the power is n is equal to x, then what we can write log, okay, what the number you have here, right here. So we will write x here, the number which you have here, that will become the base, and here we will get n. Okay, so if you have a number like this, b raised power n is equal to x, then the same number can be written in terms of a log like this. And this is read as log x to the base b. This part will be read as log x to the base b. So if I will ask you what is the base of this, you will say that this is, okay. So where b is the base of logarithmic function we have discussed, okay, and this will be read as logarithmic of x to the base b is equal to n. Okay, so please note down this, raise your hands. Once it is done, then we will discuss more about the log. Okay, Zed, very good. Umair, okay, Fahad, good. Umair, Rifat, and Abdul, please confirm. Okay, Rifat, very good. Umair, is it done? Abdul, is it done?
Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, then we will check the next one, next topic. Okay. Next is logarithm type. So we have a two types. First is common log and next is natural log. Okay. So we have a two type of logs. First is common logarithm and second is natural log. Okay, please note down this. And again, raise your hand, then we will move to the next slide. Okay, Abdul, good. Umair, okay, Fahad, good. Umair, Rifat and Said, is it done? Shall we move to next? Good, Said. Umair and Rifat. Okay, Rifat, I guess you have already done. Okay, okay. Next. Next is a common log. Okay, what is a common log? When you have a log, okay, and the base is 10. If the base is 10, then we will say that this is a common log. Here you can have any number, but if the base is 10, then we will say that this is a common log. Okay, so the common log is also called the base 10 log. So this means the base is 10 for the log. So what's a common log? Where the base is 10. Now we will check the natural log. In the natural log, you have a base e. You have a base e. Here you can have any number, but base should be. What is e? E is a Euler constant whose value is 2.718 and something. Okay, 788, I guess 2. So natural log is this one, where the base is e. What is the value of e? E is 2.71828. Okay. Okay. So the natural log is called the base e logarithm. Here e represents the Euler constant, which is approximately equal to 2.17828. Now, in NCRT, if you will solve any question and no base is given, then that means the base is e. If suppose this is given log x, no base is given, then that means this is a natural log having the base e. Please remember this thing. Okay. So this is equal to 2. Suppose this is equal to 2 means e square is equal to x. So we have two types of log, common and natural. Always remember throughout in this NCRT, if the base is not given, then that means that is a natural log. So please note down this. Again, raise your hand. Then we will move to next. Okay, Zed, good. Umair, Abdur, Fahad, Rifat, is it done? Shall we start next? Okay, Fahad, good. Okay, Rifat, Umair and Abdul, is it done? Okay, Abdul, good. Umair, I guess you have also done. We will check then the next. Okay, now we have some rules for the log, so we will check those rules. Most of these formulas you already know. First is product rule. Okay, so what is a product rule? Suppose you have this one, two numbers which are getting multiply, x and y. Base can be anything. For example, base is b. So if two numbers are in multiplication, then log will get added. Okay. Here we will take the base as same, base b. Okay. The same thing is written here. Two numbers, these two will get added. For example, this one. Okay. Next, we will check the division rule. So what is the division rule? For example, if you have two numbers which are in division, x by y to the base b, so they will get subtract. Log y where the base is b. Okay. I guess you have already done these rules earlier. The same thing, if we have two numbers which are in division, then these two will get subtract. Okay, like this. Exponential rule. Okay. So exponential rule, for example, if you have a number x here, there is some power, then this power will be shifted to here, and this become n log x. Okay. Same thing is written here. This n will shift in the start like this. Next is change your base rule. So what does this mean? If we have log m to the base b, then you can put any other base here and you can write here like this, log m by log b to the bases, to the base a. This rule we will rarely use. Okay, rarely we will use this rule. So we will check this next rule. This can be used in some questions. Even in matrices, we have used this rule. So we have log a to the base b. If we want to interchange this base and this number, then this becomes 1 by log b to the base a. Okay. So is it clear? Umair, Abdul, Fahad, Rifat, and Said. Is it clear? Okay, Abdul, very good. Umair, Fahad, Rifat, Zaid.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Rifat, Zaid, this is clear. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, please note down this and then again raise your hand so that we can start next. Everyone, please raise your hand. Okay, once it is done. Everyone, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Zed, thank you. Okay, Rifat, good. Okay, Fahad, good. So, Amir, I guess you have also completed. Now we are going to start next one. Okay. Next. If anyone is left, then please let me know. Okay, we are going to start next one. Some more properties. For example, log b to the base b should be 1. Okay. I hope you understood this. How we will see this? Suppose we have this 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. How can we write this in terms of log? Log 10 to the base 10. This should be 1. How we will read this? What should be the power of 10 so that we will get a 10. So we will get a 1. Next is log 1 to the base b is equal to 0. Next is log 0 to the base b. This is undefined. Okay. And now anyone can tell me what is log e. You know what is the value of e? Log e to the base u. Anyone can tell me what's the value of this? Anyone can tell me that what is the value of this? No?
Three.
No, it's 1. Please check this property.
Yes.
This property and these two are same properties. Okay. If these two are same, then this should be 1. How we will read this? What should be the power of this e? What should be the power of this e so that you will get this e? That should be 1. Or remember in this way that if these two are equal, then this is equal to 1. Next thing is this natural log and this exponential. This and log are interchangeable. So what does this mean? There's a very important property we will use throughout in this book. If we have y is equal to log x, if we have y is equal to log x, okay, so we also can say that log x is equal to y. Okay, then x is equal to e raised power y. So remember this, if log x is equal to y, then we can say that x is equal to e raised power y. Okay, we will do the proof of this. This is a very important property, or I will write in this way. I will write in this way that log x is equal to y, then x is equal to e raised power y. Please check here. Here no base is given. That's why we are taking the base as e. Okay, no base is given, so that's why we are taking the base as e. So x should be e raised power y. Okay. So how can you do this? Please check here. Here you have the value e. Now compare this with this one, log 1000. Now who can tell me this? First, what is the value of this? Fahad, what is the value of this log 1000 to the base 10? Fahad, what is the value of this one? Log 1000. That is 3. Very good. So in exponent form, how can we write this? 10 power 3 is equal to 1000. The same thing we have written here. Here we have e. E to the power of y should be equal to x. Is it fine? Is it okay for all of you? Umair, Abdur, Fahad, Rifat, Zaid. Good, Fahad. Umair, Abdur, Fahad. Sorry, Fahad. Umair, Abdur, Rifat, and Zaid. Is it clear? Okay, Zaid, good. So Umair, Abdur, and Rifat. Is it clear now? Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay. So please note down these properties and Okay, Rifat, good. And again, raise your hand so that we can start the next question. Okay, Fad, thank you. All of you, okay, Rifat, good. Omer, Abdur, and Zeb, please confirm if it is done. Omer, Abdur, and Zeb, please confirm if it is done. Good, Zeb. Omer and Abdur, shall we start next? Abdur, shall we move to next question? Omer, shall we start next? Okay, Abdur, good. Omer, I hope you have also completed this. So I'm going to start next question. Okay. Now, next we have a logarithmic differentiation. Okay, this is a new topic, logarithmic differentiation. So what we will do here, suppose if we have this question, y is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5, x minus 6. Suppose we have this question. Then it is not possible for us to directly differentiate this. How many times we will apply the product rule? We have a 5 terms here. Okay. Similarly, if we have this type of question, under root, in this we have x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, like this. Okay. Then if we will solve this directly, it will become very, very complicated. We will first solve the root. We will then apply the quotient rule. Suppose we have this question, x to the power y. This we will discuss later on. Okay, so if the terms are very, very complicated, or we can say that there are many terms in a question, then we will not differentiate that question directly. Okay, we will not differentiate that question directly, otherwise it will become very, very complicated. Okay, I hope now you understood the issue. Please check if you will try to differentiate this directly, then 5 times you need to apply the product rule. That is not feasible. So if there are many terms which are getting multiplied, there are many terms which are in division, there is a root. So in that case, we will use the property of log to solve the question. Okay, you have seen that there are many properties of log, so we will use those properties to solve the such type of question. For example, this one. I will solve this first. The rest you need to do on your own. So we have this one. If the y is not given, then please write y on your own. Y is equal to cos x, cos 2x into cos 3x. Take log on both sides.
So why are you writing y?
Okay, we need to differentiate this. Okay, suppose I will give you sin x and I will say to you that differentiate this, you will write like this. Okay, but we need to use log on both sides. So there's not LHS here. So from our own, we will take a y. Okay, always take y. Yes, this will get added. So take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. So what you will get here, log y is equal to log cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Okay, so who can tell me this next? Abdur, will you please apply the property of log on the right side and tell me what the answer we will get?
So 1 by cos 2x is 3x.
No. Why 1 by? We are not differentiating right now. We are just applying the property of log. Okay, log cos x
Plus
plus
cos 2x plus cos 3.
very, very good. Log cos 3x. Now we will differentiate it. Okay, now just see, you have 3 terms in multiplication, but if you have used the property of log, then all these will get added. Okay, now what we will do, differentiate with respect to x. So we will write d by dx log y is equal to d by dx. Here you will get a log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Okay, Fahad, so this question is from you. Please tell me, Fahad, how can we differentiate this log y? 1 by y directly? No, we will apply the chain rule. So d log y with respect to y, then dy by dx. Similarly, this first will differentiate log cos x. So with respect to cos x, we will differentiate all these separately. So cos x, then cos x with respect to x plus derivative log cos 2x with respect to cos 2x, then cos 2x with respect to x, okay, so this can't be differentiated like this. Again, we need to apply the chain rule here because we have a cos 2x here. So we will differentiate with respect to 2x, then 2x with respect to x plus derivative log cos 3x with respect to cos 3x, then cos 3x with respect to 3x, then 3x with respect to x. Okay. Next one. Here what we will get, derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to derivative of this log is 1 by cos x this is cos x into derivative of cos is minus sin x plus this is 1 by cos 2x into minus sin 2x into 2 plus 1 by cos 3x into minus sin 3x into 3. So what we will get here, 1 by y dy by dx is equal to sine by cos is minus tan, sine by cos is tan, sine by this is minus tan 3x into 3. Okay, from where we get this 3? Then why we have written this 3 here? Okay. Into 3. Now shift this y to the right. Shift this y to the right side, so you will get this dy by dx is equal to, just shift this y to this side, and here what you have, minus tan x minus tan 2x minus tan 3x into 3. Now put this value of y here, so what you will get, dy by dx is equal to, what is y? Cos, write the complete value, cos x cos 2x cos 3x into this complete term, that is minus tan x minus tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. Okay, so please confirm everyone, is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? This is the last question. Okay, Then our class will be over and you need to give the test. Is it clear to everyone? Please raise your hands. Okay, Rifat, good. Abdur, Fahad, Zad, Amir, is it clear? Okay, Fahad. Abdur, yes, this is NCRT question. Okay, Zad, good. Amir and Abdur, I guess this is also clear to you. So please note down this, confirm me, then I will give you the homework, then we will start the test. Okay, every week you have a test of half an hour. Okay, on every Sunday we will take a test of half an hour, and topic we will decide every week. Okay, or whatever we will complete in a week. For example, in Saturday, Sunday, whatever the topic we have done, we will take a test the next week. What last step, Amir? Amir, will you please unmute yourself and let me know in which step you have a doubt? Amir, your voice is not audible. Sorry, Amir, not audible.
So, hello?
Hello. Yes, Amir.
So on the second page.
On the second page. Okay. Everyone, please give me a minute. Okay. Yes. Here I have done nothing. What is it out, Amir? Amir, your voice is not audible. I've done nothing, Amir. I've just shifted that y to the right side. Here you have this y. I've just shifted this to the right side. So here we get a y. Okay. Then in place of y, we have put this original value, which was given in the question. I've done nothing then. In this slide, I've done nothing. All the calculation has been done in the previous slide only. Okay, Amir. So everyone, please note down this, confirm me, raise your hands, then I will give you the homework. Everyone, please raise your hands, okay, once it is done. Okay, Zed, very good. Okay, Rifat, good. Okay, Abdul, good. Fahd, please let me know once it is done. And Umair, is it done? Amir, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Amir, okay, good. Fahd, is it done? Fahad, I'm going to change the slide, okay? You're still doing? Okay, Fahad, please confirm me, okay, once it is done. And Abdur, I will discuss your doubt today, okay? Your doubt in the test paper, we will discuss that today. Fahad, please let me know, okay, once it is done. Okay, thanks. I hope everyone has done this, okay? So I'm going to give you the homework. Okay, again, I'm saying that from today onwards, every week we will share your score with your parents, okay? And in that, we will share your homework status and your test marks. So every week you have a subjective test of whatever the topics we have done. So next Sunday, you have a test of differentiation up to this topic, up to this one, logarithmic differentiation, because we will do the same topic on Saturday also. So that's why on Sunday, you have a test up to logarithmic differentiation. So after relationship function, please prepare for this one. So please note down the homework. I'm not sure how many of you have completed assignment 1. So I will give you the homework from the beginning. Assignment first, second, fourth, fifth. Okay. Please do these assignments. Assignment first, second, fourth, and fifth. And please this time complete your homework, because in relation function, I don't think anyone has done the homework. And the same you're doing with this continuity and differentiability. Okay. Now, thank you, everyone. I will share the test paper with you. Please be prepared for the test. Test is for 30 minutes. Okay, just give me a minute. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. This is a half an hour test, so I will reduce the number of questions. Just give me a minute. Uh, just give me a minute, okay? Leave this question. So here, in this question number 2 and 3, you have option. So you need to do 1, 2, and 3. These 3 questions. Okay, you need to complete the second, fourth, this one. From second and 3, you have an option. So this and this. So just do 3 questions from these. And please take the screenshot by the camera scanner and send us the PDF. Okay, please don't send us JPG format. Please take the screenshot from the camera scanner and write your name on the test paper and your teacher name. Okay, my name. So I will message you. Okay, so your time starts now. Please try to complete it. Abdur, you have already completed this test?
No, sir.
No? Then Abdur, in which topic you have a doubt? Yesterday you were saying something, no? You have a doubt in a question paper. Weekly test of your school or of Learnivio? Learnivio. Which chapter, Abdur? Is it the relation and function? Okay, so Abdur, then I need to check the test paper. Okay. You have not downloaded that? Abdur, you have not downloaded that test paper? Then Abdur, how will we get to know? Okay, let me check. Okay. So yes, for you need to send the test paper on the WhatsApp. Okay. So please share on the same group from which you get the daily notification about the class, and please write your name and the teacher name on the test paper. For there's a choice between question number 2 and 3. So either do question 2 or 3. First, there's no need to do question number first. From 2 and 3, there is a choice, then 4 and 5. So you need to do 3 questions only. 4th, 5th are compulsory. From 2nd and 3rd, you have a choice. Yes, Fahad, you are correct. The second question, integer needs to be used. Okay, as far as your doubt is, in second question, we can say that x minus y is divisible by is an equivalence relation. So far, I already told you, if you need to prove that this is true, then please never give a particular example. Particular means never give any number in the example. Okay, so we can't take 10, 5 in this. If you need to prove this is true, we can't give a particular example. You need to prove in terms of variable. Okay. First, if it is true, then you can't give an example. Okay, there is a complete method to show that you need to use that method. If it is false, then you can give an example. Okay.
So in fifth one, they are asking about equivalence class.
Sorry, Zed.
So in the fifth question, they are like asking about equivalence class.
Yes, they are saying about the equivalence class.
Okay.
All of you, is it done?
Yes.
Okay, Zed, very good. And Zed, please WhatsApp. Okay, your test paper. Okay, Rifat, good. And Umair, Abdul, Fahad, you're doing which
So I'm
question?
doing the fourth one.
Both one?
So last one, sir, last.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, Zed, then thank you. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Sir,
Fahd, are you saying something?
yes, sir.
Yes.
So what do you have to do at the last part to find the set of all elements?
Yes, Fahd, this we have done in our class. Okay. Please try to remember this. We have done this type of questions. Okay. Abdur, is it done?
No, sir, last part.
Okay, okay. Okay, Abdur, thank you. Sorry, Fahd, I just missed your message. Rifat, you can send that test paper to the same number from which you are getting the notification regarding the class. Okay. Okay, so Abdur has done, Rifat has done. Now who is left? Fahad and Umair. Umair, how much time do you need? Because there were 3 questions, so I was expecting this to be completed in 30 minutes. So Umair and Fahad.
I have completed and I'm making the PDF.
Sorry, okay, great. So good. So Abdur, if you wish, you can drop off. Okay. Rifat, if you wish, you can drop off. Okay, Abdur. Oh, sorry, Umair, if you wish, you can drop. So only Fahad is left. Fahad, how much time you need for this? Fahad, 5 to 1 p 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, okay. Okay, Fahad, then I will wait for you to complete this. Rest, whoever has completed this, if they wish, they can drop off. Okay. Then we will continue our differentiation and then on Saturday, but please complete your homework.